Welcome to our math tutorial on short division of three-digit numbers. Short division is a quick method for dividing numbers when the divisor is small enough to do the calculation mentally. Before we dive into our practice problems, let's understand what short division is. Short division is a method where we work from left to right, dividing each digit and carrying any remainders to the next digit. For example, when dividing 348 by 9, we follow these steps. Let's solve the first problem, 348 divided by 9. We set up the division like this, with the divisor 9 outside, and the dividend 348 inside the division bracket. Step 1. We divide the first digit 3 by 9. Since 3 is less than 9, we can't divide it evenly. So we move to the first two digits, 34. Step 2. We divide 34 by 9. 9 goes into 34 3 times with a remainder of 7. We write 3 above the 4 and carry the remainder 7. Step 3. We combine the remainder 7 with the next digit 8 to get 78. Step 4. We divide 78 by 9, which is 8 with a remainder of 6. We write 8 as the next digit in our quotient. So 348 divided by 9 equals 38 with a remainder of 6, which we can write as 38 remainder 6. Now, let's try problem number 2, 460 divided by 5. We set up the division with 5 as our divisor and 460 as our dividend. First, we divide 4 by 5. Since 4 is less than 5, we can't divide it evenly. We move to the first two digits, 46. Dividing 46 by 5 gives us 9 with a remainder of 1. We write 9 above and carry the remainder 1. We combine the remainder 1 with the next digit 0 to get 10. 10 divided by 5 equals exactly 2 with no remainder. So 460 divided by 5 equals 92. Now that we understand the process, let's use a shorthand method to solve the remaining problems more quickly. In the shorthand method, we still work from left to right, but we write the remainders above the next digit. Let's use this shorthand method to solve problem 3, 615 divided by 5. First, we set up our division problem. We start by dividing 6 by 5, which gives 1 with a remainder of 1. We write the 1 above the digit 6, and write the remainder 1 above the next digit. Next, we have 1 from the remainder, and 1 from the dividend, which makes 11. 11 divided by 5 is 2, with a remainder of 1. We write the 2 above the digit 1, and the remainder 1 above the next digit. Finally, we have 1 from the remainder, and 5, which makes 15. 15 divided by 5 is exactly 3, with no remainder. We write 3 above the digit 5. So 615 divided by 5 equals 123. Now, let's quickly solve the remaining problems using our shorthand method. Problem 4. 816 divided by 6 equals 136. Problem 5. 328 divided by 8 equals 41. Problem 6. 657 divided by 7 equals 93, remainder 6. Problem 7. 248 divided by 4 equals 62. Problem 8. 428 divided by 4 equals 107. Problem 9. 312 divided by 3 equals 104. Let's summarize what we've learned today about short division. First, when dividing a three-digit number, we work from left to right. Second, if a digit is smaller than the divisor, we combine it with the next digit to form a larger number. Third, we write any remainders above the next digit or as a remainder in our final answer. And fourth, we continue this process until we've divided all digits of the dividend. Keep practicing short division, and soon you'll be able to divide quickly and accurately